Hi, I'm Andrew Guck, your local Leggett agent in Carcassonne in the south of France. And today I have a hidden gem to show you in the Bastide Saint-Louis in downtown Carcassonne. This apartment is located just a 5-minute walk from Place Carnot. And it features high ceilings, herringbone flooring, a marble chimney, and spectacular lighting, and is perfectly priced and move-in ready. It would make a great lock-up and leave or a full-time residence. You can see all the details in the description below as well as the price, but let's have a look. I think you're gonna love it. So what did you think of the tour of this incredible apartment? Let me know in the comments section below. And I'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to my channel. And feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or you would like to arrange a visit. I look forward to seeing you soon in the sunny south of France. À bientôt. Au revoir.